So check out this Bodega truck by my job. They got a cool menu. I ordered the New York. You can find them at. They even got a Bodega cat and the Bustelo can for tips. Look at the candies, nerds, sunflower seeds, Dollators, airheads. They got quarter waters. Let's go. I'm loving it. Unfortunately, he was out of the quarter waters. I was gonna grab like 3 of them, but I got the New York, which is a chopped cheese on a roll, but it's pizza style. Parmesan sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, beef. Then I guess Bodega style, he threw in a couple of these. Remember these? Cool. So time for me to try the sandwich. Okay, I must say, it's really good. And I think I'm gonna start making this at home. A chopped cheese for pizza style. The New York. The New York. Y-A-W-K, York. New York. Style chopped cheese sandwich. From the Bodega truck. Really good. Highly recommend. I highly recommend. Really good. Alright.